I want to pray. This, the purpose of this Good Morning Jesus. I met armed robber operating one day. In the morning, with God, about 5 of them. Now, some of them, about 2 of them were shooting without stopping. Then the other one were stopping cars. Within 5 minutes, they were able to take a car. They were able to get money. And then they went off. I said, I like this. This is hit and run. Can't we do something like this and preach and get somebody saved and go away? I used to block road. I don't go to corner. I block the road. One day I blocked the road in Okumagba. And people were saying, you block the road that people pass. I said I will take my platform from the road and let Amroba come and block it. Then they say instead of Amroba to block it, you block it for us. God says, come. Will you come? And I'm going to pray with those who will come. I will bring their luggage of life you cannot see with your eyes into the hands of God. Okay, now. And so as we sing, and in fact before we sing, do we have anybody who will say, I want to give my life to Jesus? It doesn't matter where you are. I want you to raise your right hand to God. And we are going to pray for you very soon. The prayer will be for you. The action will be yourself. And the Lord will forgive you. We are going to sing. And if you want to give your life to the Lord Jesus, walk into the center. The people that Jesus saved, he saved them publicly. That is why he was able to say, come to me. If Jesus is not respected, then he cannot respect you in the presence of the Father. So sing that my song. As the song goes on, Many years ago, God raised great men from this place who opened Warri up.
Wakelo buko ipe ible wan vlere. Ouya na yo gene pari miracle anure. Dele ri Warri aye fi Warri ri Warri.
It was people that God raised in Omia here that opened Brutu.
Ikulo ogene pari vefule ouya na ile ri Brutu kiri oko ibo wamle.
Not Chief Atumu.
Chief Atumu,
Chief TJ Soko.
O Miragwa TJ Soko.
We have others.
Kubefa.
They purposely went to Warri and opened Warri up.
I be Warri, they re Warri wanaka.
And build estate.
Kai be webi Vaseje.
But after their death, we begin to look for these people again. We could not see them.
Madame Nayofa.
The reason why great people cannot rise up in Omia.
Obeso imila guamle amle fugese flano vlomiana cha eyoloviana.
I pray God will destroy that thing.
And
the God who is able to raise men will raise men and women again. I don't forget the car that TJ Soko was using. Only the horn. Oh my God.
Imoto o Miragwa TJ Soko gwa keoye. Ogbaron na fo ipipire na o de se. O ma poko mu wewe.
It doesn't when the motor pass, we will the smoke, we will draw the carbon monoxide. We will draw the that motor.
Oh my God. Omiragwa na TJ Soko dagwa wan sai moto na iviri robru yo to tututu na ke ya sere yo na pawere yo. Iwe ko ya won sere yo. Apawere yo.
Then we don't know what is called carbon monoxide.
Okay, now I really say iviri na so koko so.
We don't care about that. All we know we are drawing the blessing of the car. Well, I finally bought car too. Hey! I'm waiting for you to come. I might have visited you in your house through the television.
Management television but today,
early in the morning, I'm here dancing and preaching. Do you think I am drunk? I know where I come from. I know where I am. And I know where I'm going. Not as poor as you thought. No. I think I am comfortable. I'm very comfortable. I can eat my daily food. But I'm saying with all emphasis, you may not see this day again. To hear an archbishop came into here to preach early in the morning, saying that Jesus said, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, I will give you rest." Do not forget, there are a lot of things that call people. Sickness can call people. Fever can say come. And you go. Death can say come. And you go. A young boy called John wanted to marry. And he married 2 girls were there. The one he first of all approached was still saying he will pray. But the second one said, I accept immediately. So the first one came to him and said, look, I just said I will pray. I have changed my mind. No prayer. The young man said, I have already taken my decision. In her presence, he paid the bride price of the wine. In her presence, the date of the wedding was called. The other girl said, John will not marry. John will not marry. So they came to the church. And people were dancing. Only John and that girl knows the problem they have. The new wife, the wife that he is going to wed, did not know it's an innocent woman. So John said, we thank God. They wedded them. Then they went into the office of the pastor to sign registrar. As John was signing the certificate, he had his name, John, not knowing that this girl has paid a native doctor to call his spirit to death. So he said, John. John had his name, but the rest people did not hear. So John stopped signing. So he asked, who is calling me? How can anybody call you this time? Is it telephone? He said, no, I had my name. Yes, okay. He went to go and sign again. As he was signing, he had John. They said yes. And he fell down and died. John with coat and tie with the new wife and the wedding ring. It's already on the floor. Somebody called him. The girl, the wife, took the crown and threw it away. People said, no, take it easy. He said, this matter did not call for easiness. My hope is lost. Now the people who were singing that, well, the bride and the bridegroom, they are coming. People were dancing. But John is dead. The crown is gone. When you have not seen anything, it is then you said, check my face whether any stain there. The girl is about to get mad now. So the woman tied him. But we don't know what happened. Right in the open hall in the church, the person who's reading the song said, Let's change the song to praising of God.
Ikwo inasu ne bere kata ni agbaru ujiri abo uyesuo.
So they change the song and begin to sing another song of worship praising the Lord. When the song was going on to God, an angel dived through that church and called John.
There are different calls. Urulu sasa iyi because a blind man said, "Oruwa foyetare,
Jesus,
Jesu,
thou son of David,
Amari David,
have mercy."
Because we are dobe pa we.
The people say, "Shut up your mouth."
Ikwo ke efu ani runu.
Shut up.
Rukunu we me for we na.
Then Jesus himself
Okuyeri Jesu
sent people.
ko ijiko.
He said, "Call him."
Wele serebe.
Then Jesus I'm talking about,
Jesu na na metana.
the people he sent,
Ikolo jiri.
they get there and they said,
Kai ble osha na ra kai
"Rejoice,
Bangogo.
rejoice."
Bangogo.
He collected.
O sewe.
Useroga na sewe wonoga. Usewe.